Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to the channel. I am the Traveling Sam and today I'm going to take you around the Catalina Canyon Inn. We booked this stay for a girls trip and we stayed for 2 nights and 3 days. I really enjoyed this place, but before I start and talk about all the great things about it, let me show you around the property and the room. So even though this property is pretty further away from the shoreline of Catalina, they do provide a shuttle system, shuttle service every 30 minutes that drops you off in downtown Catalina and right at the ferry dock. They have a pool, which is really nice because a lot of the hotels in Catalina do not have a pool, and they have a restaurant on site. This town, overall, I had a great time here. Highly recommend. It's very much a relaxing, secluded place to stay, and I hope you enjoyed this mini room tour and hotel tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be doing more.